Hey guys, Jess here. After years of selling halos online in my salon, the opportunity has finally come for me to create my own curated line, Ensemble Hair Extensions. At Ensemble Hair, my team and I have a mission to change the way that women see themselves for the better. We believe that healthy hair is a lifestyle, that client experience matters, and above all, you deserve a custom piece that has been made just for you. So I'm excited to share with you what makes Ensemble Hair Extensions unique. We created a new halo structure based on our own expertise and feedback from you. We removed the bulk of the hair from the middle and redistributed the weight so the halo has a lighter feel, but it doesn't compromise the fullness of the halo. This also prevents tangling and just gives you more versatility with your piece to look natural and wear different ones. Because our goal is to give you the most custom piece possible, you now have 2 thicknesses at every length to choose from. And our most universal length, the 16-inch, you have 3 thickness options to choose from. Having more thickness options gives us versatility when someone has a more blunt cut or really thick hair already and just wants to add length. Now we can do that. We also added a completely new halo, our full 24-inch. This is for you girls that already had long hair, pretty thick hair to begin with, and just wanted to add some length. And we didn't have something before that would really give you the look that you were going for. And now we do, and it's stunning. I'm obsessed. This community has grown into such an amazing group of women, and we would not be here as a small business without you guys. So to say thank you, we're launching a customer referral program. I know, you've been asking for this for a really long time, and we can finally do it. So how it works, you can sign up to have your own referral link, and you and your friend will get $20 off. So they will get $20 off their halo, and you'll get $20 cash that you can save up or cash out. But I know how much you guys refer business, and now that's gonna add up. So wherever you live, I cannot wait to hear your story. I cannot wait to make a perfect halo just for you. And if it's your first time hearing about it, we do all of this virtually. So you can fill out a form online so I can reach out to you directly, do a virtual consult, and then I customize everything in my salon here in Gilbert, Arizona, and then ship it directly to you. If you live local, you can schedule an appointment online to come in person and do that type of a consultation. But I cannot thank you enough for being here, guys. This would not be possible without all of your support over the years, and I can't wait to hear your feedback on these pieces, and it's just the beginning. So thank you for being here.